Very good morning, class. Importance of plants that we had started in our previous class. Just do a short rewind of the things that we had discussed in our previous class is what is the importance of plant in our daily life. So what we had read? We had read the different uses or importance of plants in our daily life. You know, the plants play many of role in our daily life. Only some of them I have listed here. The very first important point that we get from the plant is we get oxygen from plants. Why I am saying it is the most important? Because the life exists on the planet Earth, our planet Earth. It is only, or we can say, the presence of the atmosphere makes the life possible on the planet Earth. We are living because we breathe oxygen to live. But this point I have written in the 6th number because this is the most important and we will deal in our today's class. But beside this oxygen, there are other roles which is played by the plant. The living body needs food because food provides us energy. The living body gets the food either from plants or from animals. Means the sources of our food is plants or animals. The first point I have written that most of the food item we get from the plants. The plants give us food. Number 2, we get wood or timber from the plants to make furniture, to make door, to make many of the articles which is used in our house. That mostly it is prepared from the timber. Number 3, the plants give us medicines. Medicines which help us to treat our diseases. And many of the plants, they have the medicinal values. They are or there some parts used to prepare the medicines. Number 4, they give us rubber, gum and the paper on which we write, the books through which we read. Everything we get from the plants. The oils and the spices. Mama is preparing dishes now by putting oils and she is adding the spices to enhance the flavor of the dish. That also we get from the plants. So these are the topics that we had read in our previous class. Now let's start today's class. Could you see the pictures given in your textbook? In the center, there is a picture of a tree or a plant. A plant which has strong stem and very big. It is known as tree. So it is a picture of a tree. And from this tree, many of the products we obtained. The first what we had discussed, the oxygen. You can see there is a boy. The boy gets the oxygen from the plant. Number 2, we read about the wood. You can see the table and the chairs. They are the furnitures which is prepared by the tree. Number third, the medicines. Vitamin C, vitamin B12 is written. You know, vitamin C is very important for our teeth. Vitamin B12, it is also very important to perform different functions in our body. So, including these, there are many vitamins and the other medicines which we get from the tree. Spices. You can see these spices are used by your mother to prepare the dish. That also we get from the tree. Rubber. These rubbers we all have seen now. This is also obtained from the tree. And the fruits and the vegetables. The major part of our diet. है ना? In our food, we take the fruits and vegetables in a good quantity. That also we get from the tree. So, let's summarize the same thing that we had read in our previous class, that these are the items we get from the tree. Apart from providing so many useful things, plants give us something very, very important for all living things. Can you guess that about which part we are talking? That which is the most important that we get from the tree? Tell. Just now I told you. What? Oxygen gas. This is oxygen. This is oxygen gas. The gas we all need for breathing. सांस लेने के लिए. Plants give out oxygen gas during the day. During daytime, plants gives oxygen. This helps to increase the amount of oxygen in the air and thereby purifies it. Hence, plants act as air purifiers. So, first of all, note down the plants. Sorry, let me change the color of the sketch pen. Plants and oxygen. What is the relation between them? Clear? Chalo, fatafat. We will draw a tree. Sorry, I did not had the brown colored sketch pen. That's why I am using the green sketch pen. Okay? Beautiful tree I have made here. Okay? Tree. Here is a boy standing. Standing. A man or a human being. Now this is the daytime because sun is shining in the sky. The sun is shining in the sky. When the sunlight falls on the plant, the plant prepares its food. Do you remember the term that we had read in our previous class or previous chapter, in leaf chapter? Photosynthesis. What is the meaning of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means making of food. Making of food. When plants prepare the food in the presence of sunlight, remember, photosynthesis always occurs in daytime. Then The sunlight falls on the tree or the plant. Plant prepares its food. During the preparation of food, the plants gives out oxygen gas. Oxygen gas in all direction. In short, I am writing O2. O2 is the formula of oxygen, so don't get confused. This is the oxygen gas which is released or given by the plant. Okay. Now this oxygen is taken by the human being. The man will take this oxygen. Clear? इंसान चाहे जानवर, ये इन सारे ऑक्सीजन को सांस लेने के काम में यूज करेगा. And when the man takes the oxygen, the man releases, see the direction of the arrow, CO2. CO2 की मीनिंग होती है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. मतलब when the tree gives out oxygen, oxygen is used by the animals and the human beings. For what? For breathing. And at the same time, the carbon dioxide is released. You know, this carbon dioxide is harmful to us. It is not good. Then, what will happen? So many population is there. We all will release carbon dioxide. And if it will be there in our surroundings, what will happen to us? Have you ever thought of it? अगर हम सारे लोग इतने सारे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को छोड़ रहे हैं और सारे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अगर एटमॉस्फेयर में प्रेजेंट रहे तो क्या होगा? Nothing will happen because the trees takes this कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ये जो पेड़ है ना, ये पेड़ हमारे सारे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को ले लेता है एंड क्लीन्स द एटमॉस्फेयर और क्लीन्स द एयर. द प्लांट्स, once again, the plants take the carbon dioxide and cleans the atmosphere. Trees are very important बेटा. एक तो ये हमें ऑक्सीजन देता, दूसरा हमारे द्वारा छोड़ा हुआ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को लेकर हमारी हवा को शुद्ध बनाता है. Did you get my point? Why I said the trees plays very important role in our life to sustain the life. Have you ever thought of it? कि अगर trees नहीं होता तो क्या होता? This is a tree and this is a man. Trees ने ऑक्सीजन दिया, trees ने ऑक्सीजन दिया. Oxygen is used by human being and human being released carbon dioxide which is taken by the tree. जिसको tree ने use कर लिया, air clean हो गया. If there is no tree, what will happen? There will not be any oxygen. अगर पेड़ ना हो तो no oxygen, only carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is very harmful to us. And that's why it is said that the trees are very important for the sustenance of life. See what I have told? Hence, plants act as air purifiers. Why? Because it takes the carbon dioxide and gives the oxygen in the air. The second role played by the plant. Plants also bind the soil with the help of their roots. Now, where is root present? Second point. First point we have discussed, giving of oxygen and taking of carbon dioxide. Second one, binding the soil. What is the meaning of binding the soil? With the help of the root. मम्मा को कभी आटा गूंथते हुए देखा है? जब आटा मम्मा पैकेट से निकालती है, इट इज इन अ ड्राई कंडीशन, उस पर फूंक मारो वो उड़ जाता है. बट वेन योर मदर मिक्सेस दैट ड्राई फ्लोर विद द वाटर, सबके सब चिपक जाते हैं और एक दूसरे से बंध जाते हैं. एंड देन वी से द डो इज रेडी टू प्रिपेयर द चपाती. द सेम वे हियर. Plants also bind the soil with the help of their roots. This is your stem. Your stem है ना? And this is your main root. The root is present under the ground. This is your root. The root is present under the ground. The root and the root hairs. The root and the root hairs bind the soil. मिट्टी को पकड़ के रखता है. Okay? And it helps in protecting the soil from moving from one place to another place. इसके लिए एक एग्जाम्पल आपको हम बताना चाहेंगे. There are two playgrounds. Playground A, playground B. The playground A, there is no grass, only soil, सब मिट्टी है. Playground B, so many grasses were there, बहुत सारे घास थे वहां पर. Okay? Ram and Shyam, two boys were there. ठीक है? बारिश हुई. The cloud, बारिश हो गई. ठीक है. ड्यू टू रेन ये दोनों प्लेग्राउंड गीले हो गए. ओके. व्हेन द रेन स्टॉप्ड, राम एंड श्याम वेंट टू प्लेग्राउंड टू प्ले. राम वेंट टू प्लेग्राउंड ए, श्याम वेंट टू प्लेग्राउंड बी. खेलने के बाद when both of them returned to their home, Ram's mother scolded, काफी डांट पड़ी, because his clothes were very dirty and soiled, पूरी मिट्टी लगी हुई थी. Whereas श्याम, उसके कपड़े गंदे नहीं हुए और उसके पैरों में कीचड़ भी नहीं लगे. क्यों? सोचो. Why? Ram's clothes were soiled, whereas Shyam's cloth was almost okay. Because यहां एक भी घास या पेड़ पौधे नहीं थे, जिसकी वजह से no roots were there. And no roots, तो मिट्टी सबके सब लूज थी. तो पानी जब पड़ा बारिश का, तो सारी मिट्टी गीली हो गई और वो राम के बॉडी और कपड़े पे चिपक गए. बट श्याम जब उस प्लेग्राउंड में गया, तो घास होने की वजह से उनकी मिट्टी बंधी हुई थी. किससे? ग्रास के रूट से. एंड ड्यू टू दैट श्याम के कपड़े गंदे नहीं हुए. द क्लोथ्स ऑफ द श्याम डिड नॉट गेट सॉइल्ड. गॉट माई पॉइंट? सो सेकेंड पॉइंट, रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट, रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट हेल्प इन बाइंडिंग. बाइंडिंग मतलब बांधना. बाइंडिंग द सॉइल. क्लियर टू यू? Clear to you? Now that's all in today's class. Homework time. What you will do in the homework today? Number 1. First question. How does plant act as air purifiers? Number 2. Number 2, write the name of 5 things we get from plants. Okay. First question, how does plant act as air purifiers? Number 2, write the name of 5 things we get from plants. Thank you. Bye bye.